action. Hello everyone. Welcome back to AG1. My name is Isaiah George. You can call me Isu. My name is Angel, but you can call me Maina. Today I will share with you guys how to make fish pita. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we need to make our fish thoran or fish pita. So I'll be using 5 canned tuna. You need a 1 cup grated coconut. You need a 3 clove garlic, small piece ginger, 3 green chilies, half a tomato, salt for taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a small piece onions. This is like a quarter piece of a 1 whole onions. This is the one we call in Kerala Kudam. I know the English name for this one is called komboj. In Hindi it's called dry kokum. You could buy this Kudam from any Indian grocery stores. So this is the one that give you like the sour taste to the fish. If you don't have this one, you can use the whole tomato instead of using the half tomato. You need a 1 tablespoon coconut oil and you need some curry leaves. These are the ingredients you need to make this dish. I just want to show you the sizes. That's why I didn't slice everything. So I am going to slice all the ingredients, then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'll be using a canned tuna right now. The canned tuna is going to be like really easy and fast way to make it. You can also make it with the fresh fish. The fresh fish, the one I like mostly like anchovies and small sardine. They're like really good, so you can use the same method, but the cooking time is going to be a little bit more. Okay, tell me what are you going to make it?
I'm gonna make a fish. That's my favorite fish. It's not spicy. It's good. My dad, Jill, make it for me for lunch or dinner. That's my favorite dish. We're gonna make our fish thoran. Fish tita. I said fish tita. Why did you say fish tita? That's funny. Wait, so we're gonna bake here or there?
Alright everyone, so I'm going to open this and then I'm going to put it in the pot, so that way we can just start cooking. So this one comes in the oil, so I'm not going to be using this oil, so I'm going to throw that out and put it in the pot. I'll be right back, okay? So I already opened the the canned tuna into the pot. Now I'm going to ask you, like, you are going to cook this one, right? Can you tell me what is this? What kind of stuff you're going to put it in? What is this?
Coconut.
Okay. What is this?
Powder.
What powder? It's a turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder.
What is that?
Coconut oil.
What is this?
Oil.
It's called a Kudam puli. What is it?
Puli.
What is that?
Slice of onions.
What is that?
Salt.
What is it? What is this?
Tomato.
What is that?
Green chilies.
What is that?
Garlic.
What is this?
Garlic.
No, garlic is this. What is this? Smell it. What is it?
I know.
This is called ginger.
Ginger.
What is this?
Curry leaf.
Good job. And what is this?
Fish.
Whoa, good girl. You know everything. We are going to mix all the spices into it, okay?
Yep.
So you know what you have to do?
Yeah.
Take the turmeric powder and sprinkle it everywhere.
This is gonna be so heavy.
That's not heavy.
It's not.
Use your hand. There you go. Alright guys, so I am using the kokum. Make sure you wash the kokum in the water a couple of times, and you need to soak it in the warm water for like maybe 30 minutes. We left with the salt and the coconut oil. Some of the canned tuna comes like really salty, so when you're adding the salt, you need to make sure, if it has more salt, don't add it now. So I know this one is not that salty, so I'm gonna add like just a little bit just for taste. But if I want it, I can add it later. Now we are going to mix this and with the curry leaves. We're gonna do the curry leaves also. There you go. So close the lid and cook it for medium-high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. In between, open the lid and give it a good mix. So it's like kind of warm now, so you need to put the heat down now. Alright guys, so this is almost ready. So open up, give it a good mix. When you are cooking, if you get like a lot of water, you need to make sure put the heat on high and make it dry like this. So I don't have that much water, but I'm good. Right, this is ready to eat right now. So now I'm going to, check the salt. If you need a salt, this is the best time to add it. I need a little more salt, so I'm going to add a little bit more salt. That's what I said, don't add the salt before, because we don't know how salty is the, canned tuna. So now give it a good mix. So this is ready now, so I'm gonna turn the stove off. So this is our last ingredient, so that's the coconut oil. I'm gonna Pour the coconut oil all around it. Now close the lid. Just leave it for like 20 minutes. Then you could serve it hot.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Are you not trying?
I mine didn't give it.
It's hot though. How was it?
Good. And who made it? It's me. But how did you make it?
Might not know.
Mine, how did you know? Go to teach me. So now when I grow up, I'm going to be a...
Can you tell them how to make it, Maina?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
First, you need curry leaf and coconut water and...
No coconut water. That's a grated coconut.
Grated coconut and curry leaf and coconut. And after that, garlic and the fish. Because we already knew the fish, but you did it. And a slice of onion and tomato. And is this the leaves? And this is the leaves. Then curry leaf. Is this
Curry
a
leaves,
leaf?
you already say how many times you say curry leaves?
2 times. No, you said 3 times now. And but I had started in the beginning. Okay, so we did fish, then a second one curry leaf, then fish because we had to do fish, and you had to do fish because I don't want the oil. And we did curry leaf. I already said that, right?
Okay.
I already said it.
You already said the curry leaves. You said the curry leaves and the fish, and what else?
And this is Korean coconut and your powder. Mine is sitting in this
Oh, that's the turmeric powder, yeah.
turmeric powder and garlic and the oil, right? Mix the oil and put it in. And put a little bit salt. Then put it in the stove, cook it, and put a little bit more and put it.
That's a green chili. Go drink some water.
and put in the stove and put more salt.
Good job. You know how to cook now. Whoa. Green chili.
Where? I like green chili. That's my one, Rachel.
Here's green chili. Yeah, it's came out really good. This is like really easy to make it. You should try it. I would say like maybe 5 to 6 minutes, no more than that. It's really tasty. And my kids like it too, but the only thing if I put like a green chili, it's gonna be a problem. Okay, what do you want to tell about the dish? Just tell the people how good it is.
How good is it? It's really good. I like my cook.
You like your cook?
Yeah, I like your cook as well.
You like your cooking or my cooking?
Both of us.
Both of us? Okay. So what do you like most of this dish?
The fish and these leaf and the onion and the tomato and garlic.
Oh, that's amazing.
What is this?
Like it in there?
What is this?
That's onions.
And I like the green chili with nothing. But I don't like green chili.
You like green chili?
No, I don't.
You don't like green chili?
If it's green chili, if it's spicy, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna spit it out.
Oh yeah.
And that was so yummy. I like it. Thank you for watching for our videos. Please like the comments. I can't remember.
Okay, can you say it by now?
Thanks for watching tomorrow video. Enjoy and click the like button and comment below and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.
Until I see you next time, stay blessed.